early, trying to beat the heat, because we are going fishing. I don't think we've been fishing. How many times you went fishing this year? Twice. Maybe twice this year. So the hubby wants to start getting some fishing in. So we're up early trying to beat this heat to get to our destination. So we want to invite you all to come on and go fishing with us. Whether we're going to catch the big one or not, we don't know. But you might not want to miss it if we do. So we just want you guys to just join us as we go fishing. We got poles and everything in the trunk. And of course, we got the off. This is Sportsman's Deep Woods long-lasting protection for mosquitoes. Let me see. Repels mosquitoes that may carry different viruses. But we're going to spray ourselves down just for protection, because I seen that video that's going around on Facebook of the young lady that got bit by a mosquito, and the mosquito was carrying some kind of virus, and it swelled up her whole leg. And they said that if her mom would have waited a little bit longer or taken her to the doctor, she would have passed away. That's how bad that infection that the mosquito was carrying. So we want to try to be safe out there. And I'm hoping it's for ticks and everything else too. But it's just saying focusing on mosquitoes. But hopefully it'll be more than just mosquitoes. So today is Juneteenth. Y'all happy Juneteenth to everybody. What are you guys doing on your Juneteenth? What are your plans? I know a lot of people are off work. I know some companies don't shut down for Juneteenth, and that's a shame on them. But for the ones who are off on Juneteenth, what are your plans? What are you doing? Drop a comment and let me know what are you doing for Juneteenth, or what did you do for Juneteenth? Drop a comment. We're gonna do fishing in the morning and try to check out the Juneteenth event in the evening, because I gotta do a little bit of stuff for work there, so a little bit of community outreach. So we'll be out at the Juneteenth doing a little bit of community outreach for my job. So probably will see you there at the event. They are calling for rain and hail and everything else late this evening, but hopefully we'll be able to get through most of the Juneteenth before we actually have the bad weather. So I will be doing some marketing, guys. That's what I do at my job. I do marketing, so I will be doing some marketing at the Juneteenth on this afternoon. So, hubby, anything you want to say to him?
No, not at this time. I don't have nothing to say. Have a blessed day.
But y'all, always blessings is always something to say. So he's blessing each one of you on today. So it's a good thing. So I didn't have anything exciting going on lately. Just basically been working. I guess you guys know that I switched from my job in Hampton to a job in Franklin. If you didn't know, now you know. And so basically I do marketing. It's basically what I do. So you'll be seeing me out in the community doing some marketing. You'll see me at other little events that'll be around to be doing some marketing. So be looking for me. If you see me, come to my table. Come to my table and say hello. And they don't like the store is open. People walking
It's
back
just
and
opening
forth.
up
It's
now.
just opening up now.
Oh, she just let her in for the bathroom.
She let her foot go to the bathroom, so the store must not be open yet. So y'all, we're out here earlier than the store's open. Wow. But the sun is shining bright early in the morning. That's a good thing. The sun is shining bright early in the morning. But I'm talking about the S-O-N, not the S-U-N. Yes. To God be the glory for that. For a nice sunshiny day. Well, guys, I'm going to pick you back up as we get to our destination to do some fishing. So stay tuned. We made it to our destination. I'll be trying to get the poles ready. And it's about to go down. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. You want it? Got my bag of ice. Look at some homes over there. Let me see. But it's a beautiful day out here. The sun not bearing on top of us right now. So that's a good thing. It's a nice little breeze too. I'll be getting these poles ready. And then we're about to see what's gonna go down. We got some shrimp, y'all. See? Got some shrimp. Hopefully it's gonna work. My pole is in the water, and now the waiting game begins. Yeah, I forgot to bring a stand, so I have to actually hold my phone. I forgot to bring a stand. Hubby pole is going in. So now his waiting game has begun. But it's nice out here, y'all. Relaxing. Do y'all go fishing? If you do, where do you go fishing at? And do you think it's relaxing also? I do. I really think it's relaxing.
You see fish jumping up all around.
Hubby said he see fish jumping up all around, but they ain't jumping over here on our poles yet. But see, we just got here, so fish, come on down. We're here. Fish, we're here. Come on over here. Okay, I did the fish call, y'all, so hopefully they'll start jumping in a little bit.
You got to fight.
Hey, y'all, I caught a crab.
All right, thank you.
You welcome.
That's what I'm out here to do, catch some crab.
Y'all, I caught a crab for that gentleman, but I didn't catch a fish. He said my crab was a nice one too, y'all.
Yes, sir. That's where I put my tongue from.
Y'all, my first catch of the day was a crab. And I wasn't even crabbing.
When you pull up, you don't want to take it.
Okay.
I'm beat that snapping turtle today.
Y'all, I caught a crab. So I caught the fishes, y'all, but the crabs came. Okay, y'all, here go my second catch of the day. It's a fish.
You're going to get them, because like
See
I said
my
yesterday,
fish?
they was doing good out here.
They were.
Yeah.
They got me a fish, y'all.
What the lady said, what y'all said, that she was pulling two at a time.
For real.
Yep. That's what we're talking
But y'all, I caught me a crab and I caught a fish, y'all. They heard me when I was doing the fish call. So I'm going to call for more now, y'all. Fishy, 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 fishy. Come on here, fishy, 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 fishy. Come on over here, fishy, 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 fishy. So I got a crab and I got a fish. Yay, me. Hubby got one. Ooh. Let me see, what is it? He got one. Okay, got my fish number 2, y'all.
Oh, you got top hook this time?
Yeah, I got top hook. Got my fish number 2, y'all. So I got 2 fish and 1 crab. And the hubby got 1 fish. So that is, I'm winning. So it's kind of like 2.5 to 1. Cause the crab count is heavy. So I got two little fishes, y'all. My fish call is working. Here, fishy, 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 fishy. Here, fishy, 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 fishy. They're coming, y'all. See, I'm calling them. Here, fishy, 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 fishy. Here, fishy, 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 fishy. Here, fishy, 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 fishy. Hubby got another one.
That's the top one.
Yep.
He got the bottom when he came back for the top one.
We 2 for 2, y'all. Let me see it, babe.
I know that bloodworm gonna work sooner or later.
2 for 2. Hold on. That's it. Okay, there you go. 2 for 2, y'all. Husband just got one. So what's that, 3 for you now?
Yeah.
And I'm still on 2 on a crab?
Yeah.
Okay, y'all. So he just got another one. So then got 3 to my 2 on a crab. Hubby got another one.
That's a little one.
It's a little one, but it's still 4 to my 2 on a crab. Yeah, you can throw them back, but I'm just saying though. You still done caught 4 though to my 2 on a crab.
If I can get him out without damaging his lungs.
Trying not to damage him.
Yeah, that's a little one.
Yeah.
Baby one. I'll throw you back that way.
He going back, bye-bye. Okay, y'all, I got number 3. It's my number 3. That's my number 3. So then I got 4 to my 3 and a crab. but I got number 3. I'm catching up. She got an eel. He got it with his hand.
He was just pulling it down.
Husband came up with number, what's it, number 5 for you?
That's what I don't know.
Yeah, he got number 5.
Ready to come in, and the tabs coming in up there.
Hi y'all, that's my number. Is that my number 4? Yeah, I done lost my count now. Yeah, I think that's my number 4. And hubby got his number 5. So I'm catching up with him, y'all. What kind of fish is that?
Oh, croaker.
Croaker. What were the other ones?
Croakers.
Oh.
You can call them squatch.
Oh. So y'all, 4 to 5 in a crate. Y'all, this is my 5 to 5. We got 5 to 5. Now you can throw them away. But it's 5 to 5, y'all. Yeah, this is my number 6. That's a beauty. That's my number 6. So the score so far is 5 on a crab daddy, 6 on a crab me.
Alright, I'll get you all those little sticky things. I want you sticking in your hands. That's all I'm doing, walking back and forth.
Okay, y'all, we doing this. Baby got something, y'all. Okay. So we are tied 6 and 1 crab to 6 and 1 crab. 6 and 1 crab to 6 and 1 crab, y'all. Who's gonna break the tie?
That bottom hook again.
Oh man, and he got one too. That's your 7 to 1. But he hung. Okay. He got his 7 and 1 to my 6 and 1.
It's a small.
It's a small, you can throw it back. But still though, you still caught it. So you 7 and 1 and I'm 6 and 1. You broke the tie. Y'all, this video is just all about the fish, y'all. All about the fish. Okay, y'all. 7-1 to 7-1. That's a beauty. 7-1 to 7-1. Wind blowing her. Stop wiggling. You ain't going back in that water. Seven one to 7-1. 7 and 1 crab daddy. 7 and 1 crab baby. Woohoo! It's number 8. Number 8. 8 and 1 crab, 7 and 1 crab. Hubby got one. Here come his number 8. So we're tied again. 8-1 to 8-1. Eight and 1 crab to 8 and 1 crab. We're tied up again, y'all. The battle is real. Hubby got one. So this would be 9.
Me too, man. Me too.
Oh, that's a nice one. So that's 9 to 1. 9-1 to 8-1.
Her standing here? I know. Okay. You want to hold it? No. You want to go like this? Hurry up. He's
Hubby,
hurting. He's
9
hurting.
to 1.
Our fish is hurt.
2.
Oh.
9.
Okay, I got
Oh.
you. I got you. I got
9
you.
to 1
Look,
to 8
this
to
is
1.
not our fish. I don't want you to hurt fish. I'm so sorry. That makes me hurt.
Alright, here go hubby got 10. 10-1 to my 8-1. That's 10. 10 fish, 1 crab to my 8 fish, 1 crab. Yeah, he do that like a phone call. And then put them back in the water. Alright, so hubby got 10 and 1.
Yeah.
My 8 and 1. Alright, y'all, here go the hubby bringing in number 11. He brought in number 11, y'all. So he's 11, 1 crab to my 8, 1 crab. I guess we can just call it now.
That's a small one. You throw him back.
Yeah, you can throw him back, but he still count though. He still count. So it's still 11, 1 to 8, 1. Well, fishing day is officially done. The sun ran us away. We were going good, but the sun said, it's hot.
Yes, it's hot.
Time to go.
It's 12:16. We're in the heat of the day.
Yeah. So we had to call it quits.
And they said it would be 100 degrees today. So what is it now? The car said 88 degrees.
Yeah, 88 in here. So go ahead on, like this video, drop a comment, give this video a thumbs up. That's your like.
Turn
thumbs
left
up,
to stay on
they
Bennetts
are free.
Creek Park.
Thumbs up are free. Drop a comment.
Head
share this
southeast on
video.
Bennetts Creek Park Road.
Subscribe to the family. Hit the
In 600
notification
feet,
bell to
turn
all
right.
videos so you won't miss a video. And the fishing tournament is officially over. And the final numbers are saying 8 fish, 1 crab.
Turn right to stay on Bennetts Creek Park Road.
And then 11 fish, 1 crab. So he's the winner.
Yep, I won.
Yay!
In a quarter mile,
Because
turn right to
we
stay on
are
Bennetts
one,
Creek Park
so
Road.
when he wins, I win too. So, yay! I won. That's good? Alright, guys. So, until next time, give thanks, be blessed. I love you to life. See you on our next video. Bye! Lynn.
Bye-bye. I'm looking at the car coming past.
Do what we said about it. Y'all not looking at the car. Well, just change that because he is driving. So
Yes.
he could look at the car. Bye, y'all.
I ran into the car.